So is there any of your contact poster not showing up like this after updating to iOS 26? Or maybe it's just not updating? Don't worry, let's walk you through some quick fixes. So the first thing first, if either you or the other person can't see the contact poster, just remove the one you have set up. After that, create and add a new poster again, because sometimes little glitches or bugs in iOS can cause this kind of problem. And simply setting it up fresh usually fixes this kind of problem. Next, you have to check some settings. So just open up your settings, then go for apps. And now from the messages option, just make sure the iMessage is turned on. And another thing you have to check from the settings, then for apps, and from the phones option, and here the option show my caller ID and make sure it's turned on. Finally, if nothing else works for you, you can go for a forced restart. For that, you have to press volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. Because this will refresh everything and can solve some glitches. That's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.